It just gives that little bit of oomph to your outfit. I'm telling you, this is your confirmation. Go get them. Go get them. What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Danielle Denese back again with another video. In today's video, I have another luxury unboxing. I picked me up some Rick Owens and I want to share with you all. So if you're interested in this video, sit back, relax, and we're going to get right into it. We're unboxing. Let's get into it. So I picked up and ordered my Rick Owens. This box is huge, by the way. Okay, it just came like this with a nice little bow, and I got me a size 36.5. I got the Geobasket version in black. Okay, so we're just gonna open it up. This box is literally huge. When you first open it, you have, see, the dust bags. They give you, oh, this is not a dust bag. This is more like a little reusable bag. So they give you a reusable bag that does say Rick Owens on it. I don't know if you guys can see. It's stitched in with the same color. It says Rick Owens. Let me see if I can zoom in. Give it a better look. It says Rick Owens. Okay, that's cute. Nice little reusable bag. I like that. Okay. Then when you open it up, we have the shoes. The shoes. These are the shoes. These are them. I did pay regular price for these with the 10% coupon code because you know Farfetch be coming clutch when you be ordering from them all the time. I did opt for 36.5. I am a 36.5. If you revert to my Landvin video, I told you that I'm normally a 36.5, but if they don't have a 36.5, they have a 36 or 37. I have to play with it sometimes to see which size to get. But unfortunately, these have a 36.5, so I got the exact size, a 36.5. They just look like this. I'm gonna show you one. The front looks like that. It has this large tongue, clean. It's like they call it black and milk because it's not like a crisp white. It's more like a milky white, a cream. This is the side view. This is the back. And this is the other side. Has a cute little zipper and the lace. It also came with a black pair of laces as well. Let me see if there's something else in this box. It's just like empty at this point. It don't come with dust bags. And they give you a little card, identification card. Says this product has been made with leather that has been naturally treated and tanned with minimal finishing. Nice little card that they give you. Okay. So I actually just checked the whole box. There's no dust bag. All you get is that reusable bag. But anyway, so yeah, so these are them. And the inside, it has like this design in the tongue. It appears like a person wearing some Rick Owens in the tongue. Has it on both. I love them. Oh, I was stuck between getting this version and the dark shadow, and I was like, you know what? I don't know if you hint, I'm more of like a tomboy girly. I feel like the dark shadow is more on a girlier side, so I opted for these because I just know that I'm gonna be looking cute with these. Okay, so they are true to size. Get your exact size. Whatever your exact size is in European, get your exact size. Comfortability. So let's see. I did notice that the top part by your toes, it does have a little bit of padding. It's a little cushiony in there. A little bit of memory foam. They don't feel like they're gonna be uncomfortable. Clearly, I haven't worn them yet, but I feel like this is gonna be a good sneaker boot for the winter. I feel some in the heel as well. Let me see what's in here. Okay, so yeah, it's a good little insole in there. So you get a little bit of padding in there. And then it's the other insole at the bottom. They're black and white. I opted for black and white because I feel like you can never go wrong with black and white. And sis, I don't know if you knew, but if you've been here for a little while, you know that me and black, we here. We love each other, okay? It has extra long laces, so if you wanted to wrap them around twice, you can. or if you just want to tie them once and have them long, I don't know, teacher's own. They get them to wear for my daughter's 5th birthday. We're all gonna wear Rick Owens. I know I'm a little bit corny, I don't care. Stay tuned for that. There's gonna be a vlog coming on that real soon. I do have a review coming later on because I did purchase my daughter a pair, and we're gonna do a toddler or little girl, little kid version review. If you're interested in that video, stay tuned. It will be airing the week after this. Don't want to miss that. It's going to be good. She's going to give her review and her opinions. Stay tuned for that, okay? One more time, just reviewing it. Just give you a look. This is them. 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 I feel like this is going to be a good styling piece. This is going to make some outfits. Another reason why I opted for this look, because I just feel like I see in my mind these little styling pieces. I see me wearing it with some skirts. I see me wearing it with some faux leather pants. I see me doing a lot with these, so I can't wait to style them. So I do feel like you can get a lot of styling out of them. Make an outfit look a little bit more edgy, because this definitely gives like a edgy vibe, like a little rock star vibe, rock and roll vibe. I live for this. Definitely wanted to add this to my closet. I don't really have a piece that looks like this, you know, and especially with the winter and the fall that we're going into, this is perfect for the season. I've even seen some girls wear it in the summertime with some dresses. It just gives that little bit of oomph to your outfit. I'm telling you, this is your confirmation. Go get them. Go get them. You won't regret it. So let me stop rambling. I know you want to see how they look on the feet. Let's get into it. Let's go. This is them on. This is the front view. This is the side view. This is the back. This is the other side. Well, angles. Love this detailing. The zipper detailing is everything. I actually have a shirt that matches. I might wear it with it. I don't feel like they make my feet look big. They actually look cute. You can wear, like I said, a skirt, like a pleated skirt will look cute with this for the edginess. It's giving me leather pants vibes. It's giving me biker, rock and roll, just that chick. Okay? They're cute. They're very cute. I love them. I cannot wait to wear them and style them. Alright, so I want to say thank you for coming to kick it with me yet again. If you haven't done so already, I hope you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Also, don't be afraid to hit that notification bell so you know every single time that I post. Join the team. Become a beauty. We here. And like I said, I do have coming up a review of the Rick Owens, the toddler version or the little kid version. I will be doing that with my daughter, so stay tuned for that. But as always, until next time, bye beauties.